to get more information on her passing and what it means for our future in this country. I want to get to John Malcolm now. He's the director of the Meese Center for Legal and Judicial Studies at the Heritage Foundation. He joins us live now from Washington, D.C. John, I appreciate you being here. I'm willing to bet you have legal disagreements, political disagreements with the late justice, but can't be denied that the country has lost a giant tonight. I'm just curious for your reaction to her passing.
Well, that's exactly correct. I mean, she was a legal pioneer in terms of women's rights. She was every bit as important a legal figure as Thurgood Marshall was for pioneering for the rights of African Americans. I mean, this was truly, if Antonin Scalia was a lion in the law, Ruth Bader Ginsburg was a lioness in the law. And, you know, she was widely admired across the political spectrum for what she had accomplished, and her voice will be missed on the Supreme Court. And that you're right. I'm sure I had political disagreements with her. I certainly had legal disagreements with her, but you know, I have the utmost respect and admiration for Justice Ginsburg, and you know, may she rest in peace.
John, I know that you also have some insight into the process here going forward and what it means for our political discussion in the future of this country. What is your thinking as far as who the president wants to put forward here?
Well, he has a list of 44 people that he has put forward and has promised to nominate an associate justice to the court from that list. If one is thinking politically that he might be inclined to name a woman for that position, he has several to choose from his list. Probably topmost of mine might be Amy Coney Barrett of the Seventh Circuit. And of course, this is a dramatic change in terms of the presidential election. Most of mine might be Amy Coney Barrett of the Seventh Circuit. And of course, this is a dramatic change in terms of the presidential election. Now we don't have to think about you know, a future Supreme Court vacancy. There is one now. And so that certainly mixes up the calculus and will put pressure, I'm quite sure, on Vice President Biden to put forward you know, whom he would name.
John Malcolm, I have to stop you there. We're running out of time, but I so appreciate your insight tonight. A monumental night and a interesting few weeks to follow. You're going to be valuable in understanding what happens going forward. John Malcolm from the Heritage Foundation, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.